Have you ever wondered how to make 2D Godot movements? Well, this is the right video for you, as we are making Godot movements 2D. So first add in a 2D scene and add in a child node static body 2D. Add in a collision shape. Add in a mesh instance and select your mesh. Select your shape. Resize your shapes. Resize your mesh. Position them. Save this scene as what you want to name it. Add in a new scene, other node, character body 2D. Add in a collision shape. Add in a mesh instance. Go to character body 2D. Attach a script. Name it whatever you want, but make sure you have this template on character body 2D basic movement. So you have just the script, and then you save this in this player, and then go to your 2D view. Go right here to collision shape, choose your shape, and choose your mesh. Position your mesh, save it, go to your level, put your player inside the level, and just boot your game. Select, remember, make sure to select current on this. And boom, there you have it. Simple Godot movements.